Hi guys, today we gonna make, this time can be two of them. It can be foxes. It can be little teeny tiny foxes. And now we have the pink paper how this can color. Orange. I don't think it starts with orange. I think it goes with orange. Wait, just dry on pink paper might it work, but then I just can dry it in the other way. Then we have the same ones, so just use the same things. We got this pink thing of the whole package. This the purple flower. And we have this here, but this one is different. Why? We have crayons now. Oh, look at the skin color. Oh, that's my favorite color of all time. And you got like some other ones. And this one we have. And let's get started. First, let's insert them. This is the pencil. Okay, then let's start the foxes. This is the two foxes. Let's see that. It's the eyes. Here's the mouth. It almost kind of looks like a cat, but it's not a cat. Okay, let's start with the tail. It's kind of cute. In the heart. Now let's do other one. Here's the mouth. This one looks like saying something. Other one. This is the mom, this is the sister, the baby. No. The other heart. Now let's get going. Let's do some mustard berries. Oh, this one's gonna look some like this. Oh, hold on. Oh my gosh, this looks the same color as the paper, but it's not pink at all. Here. Oh, we forgot the ears. The other one. Don't color the heart. Color it, not the face. Okay. Now let's use the pink one to make the heart. Now almost done. Done. The last one is gonna be, it's supposed to be white. This is the floor. Or some him. So the scissors. Well, let's use the scissors. Okay. Oh. Okay, like that. The other ear. Here's the other one. And the other one. Oh, it was fire. Now the other piece right here, and then we're stuck. Oh. Now let's grab it. And let's put it here. Oh, it keeps falling. What the? It keeps always falling when I touch it. Now done. Let's see this goes. Oh. Here's the other. Here's the baby. This is the furnace. I can face the bed. It almost kind of looks the same one. Now I can grab this and works better. Wait. Now I gotta strengthen this one. This can be the bed. It's a really big bed. Wait. It's like a blanket. Here is the blanket. It almost this way. Okay. The lights. I think it can be like this. Like this one can be here. The other side. This can be 2 beds. Oh my gosh. Super big. Okay. Just sleeping. Wait, let's go for one more. Done. That kind of looks a baby, but the face still can see it. Oh, yes, can see it. Okay, he's sleeping. Now he just wake up. I don't remember the sound he just made. I don't think the sounds, but I think he doesn't make sounds. After I can see what sounds he makes. It kind of looks the S. What? You go. Now this is the bed. My this side is the kitten, and this one is the playset where I have the toys. This present is his toys with colorful. Let's go to play. Okay. He can like pick up the colors. But then this is toys to him. It only starts with urns. It looks almost matte color, but it's not. I think we can but this is my drawing right here. But I just don't finish it. But this is the mom and this is the baby. He's still sleeping. This baby sleeps like a lot. Be like this. Let's just play it like that. She's drawing the lens that they have. The color right here and done. 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 Right here, done. Right here, done. Right here. It has a lot of places down into the color. I can make it some here. Bye guys, do you like making with me? Bye! Oh.